No. Okay, guys, so we are back with another Hooks and Bass fishing. We've got, who's this? Okay, so we got an Angel T. And then over here we got Mr. Stick Throwing Weird Man. And we got a bug on my shoulder. And then we got these sticks, bro, and we got that. Woohoo! This video, we're hunting for rabs with the spear again. I'm just kidding. So this video, oh crap, oh freak, sorry about that, people. This video actually was an idea I got from a movie. So these are 2 nails that I drilled into, well, technically drilled 2 holes and put them in. You guys can do this. These were just small holes that could fit these nails, and then I just hammered them in. And now, this video, we are going to be getting some line in on this thing. We're going to be casting this sucker. No, I'm just kidding. We'll just be getting some line on it. And it's just a simple little rod that I thought of. If you guys like only find fishing line, a hook, and you're around somewhere with worms, you can just make this simple little setup. So basically, well, not really, but basically I just use these 2 nails for if you got your fishing coming and you know it's the size you want, you can just go shank that sucker, and then you got something to carry it on. You just, if it falls off right through the tail or whatever, you can just hold it on it, alright? Is there anything you would like to talk about the spear? Put you on the interview. Nothing? Do you think it'd be fun? Here, try to do it. Hey, you're getting better at it. Let me see it. I'll show you an easier way. So, I put these 2 fingers like this. So, like that. And I aim and I go. That was a bad toss, but you see what I mean. Yeah, like that, like that. No, get closer, because you're just starting. Now, throw. There you go. You actually hit it. No, I don't trust you. Here, let me show you something real fast.
I want to jab it.
Right there?
Yeah.
Here, let me fix that spear tip. Here, you camera. Hold it right there. Oh. So hold it like this. Hold it like that with your hand. Just don't tap it. So this hand, hold this side. There you go. Now get this hand and put it right there. There you go. Okay, back up. I want to show these guys how to spear. You can film my face. Sorry. Okay, guys. So we're gonna start it. Oh, I took that wood out, bro. Look, I actually hit it. Okay. Come on, let's keep moving. Again. That was a bad toss.
They're all like right here.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. No, that was a bad one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I actually chipped it. Right there. But, okay, guys, we're done with spear throwing. At the end of the video, we'll get some more spear throwing in. But basically, this video, we're going to be getting some line on this thing. And we're going to be, I guess, just testing it. So, we'll meet you guys once we get some line. Okay? And say bye to this man over here. He's a Sasquatch.
Like this.
Okay, guys.
Nobody go behind me. Nobody go behind me. Nobody go behind me.
Okay. Oh, if you guys aren't wondering, I'm filming off my phone. Oh crap.
GoPro.
It's not a GoPro, but it's kind of like. Let me see it. Oh, freak. Okay, guys, we got ourselves some Berkley line.
Watch this.
There you go. Alright, we got ourselves some nice Berkley line that we can just.
You could have just glue, but you could just tie it to it, right?
I'm just gonna tie it to it.
Speaking of tie, I gotta tie my shoes right now.
Here, guys.
Glass, Scotty. I'll poke myself. You dum-dum. Cause you dum-dum in the trash pile. Big dum-dum. This is Scotty, guys.
This is Scout.
Scott, hi.
My name.
Hello, Mike. How you doing?
Yeah, people, it's really not funny.
Child.
Hey, people, we're just gonna be going with this.
Okay, I tied my shoes.
I don't got weights with me right now. But, unless I would.
Ooh! Ow!
What'd you do?
Ouch!
What'd you do?
I don't know what I hit, but I hit something.
Too light.
What are you trying to do? Use something as a spear?
Oh yeah, but need something heavier.
Scotty, you shorty face.
I don't freaking care. Your face is showing on it.
Your mom, I mean, dad's face.
Actually, it's not.
Okay, guys, we got our line on. It's really only about 5-10 feet of line. But I guess if you guys
Need a
have
hook, or at least something like the hook.
Want me to, film again?
it is filming.
No, like, I'll hold it.
You guys could use it as a line, or what do you call these? Fly rods? And you could just get a fly on this sucker. But you need a weight, obviously, I think.
But also, you need a hook.
So
Yeah, you would also need just your fly, your simple fly. Here, hold it how you were holding it. There you go. Then you could go like this. Simple fly rod. Like I said, you would need a sinker. Woo, just like that.
Look what I'm doing. I was doing this.
Okay.
Ooh!
You can spear hit it. Yeah, this one cracked it. But I wouldn't recommend that. I would just recommend spear hitting. Just like that. Look at that. Got those right in there. Okay, guys.
They're having.
Oh my. You can see, guys, clearly where the blade just went through. Now watch again. Right through it. See that? It went through this board into that board. That's crazy. So, we're gonna just do some shots of this kid over here hitting these. He needs to practice. He wants to practice. You want to become a fisherman?
Harry!
Yeah. Alright, here, try this. We'll be standing back here for you. Just don't hurt yourself. Okay, throw it. You don't need to hold the line.
The line got.
It's okay, it's okay. Good job, dude. That was actually a really good hit. Don't pull it out, don't pull it out.
I shoot the very bottom.
That was pretty good. And guys, if that was a fish, he would have impaled that sucker. There you go. Good job.
Let me move this.
That was pretty good too.
Got chipped right there, and then what?
We'll do 2 more, and then we'll be good.
Dude, come here. So I did this. I went here, and got stuck a little bit and fell.
Aim for those ones as hard as you can. Just make sure you aim. Aim. That wasn't bad. Let's see the damage he's done, guys. So, right in there.
Let me get the fishing rod.
Right there. Look at those. Those look like teeth marks, honestly. But, let me see. I want to do one last throw before we end the vid. Here we are. Here, I can hold it. Holy crap, guys. Let go. I want to show them. Huge 2x4, guys. Any of you spearfishers out there, I'm pretty sure you guys would love this thing. Okay, but guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. Thanks for reaching.
Watch.
Here, let's do a thumbnail. Okay, let's do a thumbnail. Actually, we'll do a thumbnail in a minute. Just do one more hit. Boom. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Look at that monster, guys. Look at this. Woo. That's good. Okay, guys, so we're going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. And until then, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.